Take a ride in the 2019 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.